everyone. So I have something to talk about regarding AMC and, of course, the share split math and a little bit of Vanguard. So Vanguard had a filing come out today, and this was for the 11th. File date was the 11th today, effective date today, 13G. Now, before any FUD gets put out there about this, the way it looks is that the previous shares were 52.4 million, the latest shares being 6.179 million, with a shown percent change of negative 88%. However, if you take into account the split math of these shares, they actually increased their shares by just shy of 1 million if you take into account the split. So the previous shares was 52.4 million. The latest shares was 6.179 million, with a percent change of 88% based on the share count. But when you take into account the split, if you look at ChatGPT here, we did some math here. If you do this simple calculation of true change in shares equals the new shares after the split minus the original shares before the split divided by 10, since we had a split of 10, and then the result is actually approximately 936,345 shares after accounting for the 10-to-1 stock split were increased from Vanguard's holdings. So just wanted to point that out. I do own AMC shares again. So yeah, there's that too. But yeah, all-time lows, you have a lower float than you did before. It is what it is. We'll have to wait and see what happens. But I just wanted to bring this to your attention. Although it does look concerning at face value, and once you take into account all of the mechanics behind the split, they actually increased by just shy of 1 million. So y'all have a good one.